Hi there! Today, I will be showing you the apps that we will be using for the mid-year classes. First, open your browser and go to google.com. Next, log into your G Suite account that was provided by the school. Click on the Sign In button at the right side of your browser. After logging in, click on the Google Mail app, or Gmail for short. It is located again at the top right side corner of your browser. This is one of the apps that we will be using. In Gmail, we can see all the updates being done on our Google account. You can create, send, and edit emails here on the app. Next, click on the Google App Drawer. It is located at the top right corner of the browser. Now click on Google Classroom. Once on the app, you will see all your available classes. Click on Join Class if this is your first time joining in. After clicking, you will be redirected inside the classroom. From there, you will see 3 tabs inside the room. First is Stream. In Stream, you'll see all the posts, assignments, quizzes, and activities on the classroom. Next is Classwork. From this tab, you'll see only the classworks that your teachers will be giving to you. Next, People. Now from this tab, you will see your teachers, classmates, and everyone that is in this class. Next, we will be using the Google Meet app. You can use the Google Meet app by finding it at the Google App Drawer located at the top right corner of your browser. But if you are on the Classroom app, there is a link that will directly open the Google Meet app for the classroom. Just go to Stream, then click on this link at the banner. After clicking it, you will be redirected on the Google Meet app for this classroom. So that's about it. The apps that we will be using for this mid-year will be Google Mail or Gmail, Google Classroom, Google Meet, and Google Chat. If you have any questions or concerns with regards to the online classes, you can call the office and find Sir EJ from the IT department. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.